My father's blood. The cocks had not crowed a third time when Ikenna rose from his raffia mat, the air still heavy with the scent of charcoal and the whisper of ancestral voices. It had been 10 market days since his father, Ogbuefi was buried without his staff of honor, a grave abomination in Umuka, a village where the ancestors walked with the living. They said Ogbuefi died of a sudden fever. But Ikenna, his only son, knew better. The night before his father died, he had heard muffled voices behind the obi, and seen shadows moving where no man should be at that hour. The next morning, the old man was cold and stiff, his lips sealed, but his spirit restless. Moka Aechi Oma, Enagba Egbi Onya, the old women gossiped at the stream. Even for good things, one must keep their eyes open. The elders were quick to bury him. Too weak. Without the staff. Without the ritual of the Ozo dance. And worst of all, without the red feather that marked him as a son of the soil. That night, Ikenna dreamt of blood on white chalk and fire burning beneath a palm tree. His father's voice echoed, "My blood is not at rest. Seek the Ikenna. Find the truth." The next morning, Ikenna dressed in a faded Ayesaigu shirt, tied his red cloth around his waist, and went to the shrine of Arabinogo, the ancient war god. The path was overgrown, the silence thick. He poured palm wine on the earth. "No, show me the hand that spilled your blood." Suddenly, a gust of wind swept through the trees, and the uli symbols on the shrine wall began to drip like fresh ink. A single word formed on the mud, Ugonobo. His heart dropped. Ugonobo was his father's cousin, and the current custodian of the Ikenna.